Hello guys, and welcome to another with a watch video. Today we're going to show you a San Martin watch. This is the homage for the Rolex Submariner. This watch came to me from my buddy Shaked, so thanks to Shaked for bringing this one. Before we start, if you're new to my videos, please subscribe to this channel and turn your notifications on, then you can get future updates about upcoming videos. So, let's start. In here are San Martin homage for the Rolex Submariner, the Hulk. It's a beautiful watch, really well made. In my opinion, San Martin execute really great watch. So, as always, we first are talking about the movement inside. Inside we get the Seiko NH35. This movement doing 6 beats per second. It have 24 joules, 41 hours of power reserve, diashock system, hacking and winding, date window. The accuracy rating is plus 40 seconds, minus 20 seconds per day, and the accuracy test for this watch doing plus 10 seconds per day. So let's move now to specification. We get 316L stainless steel case, polished on the sides, exactly the same as the Rolex Submariner. We get screw down crown, sign also with the shark logo. The crown size is 7mm. We get sterile back case, also exactly the same as the Rolex Submariner. As you see, you have nothing on the back case. We get sapphire crystal with the cyclop. We get ceramic bezel with lume dot in the 12 o'clock position. We get Swiss Super Luminova BGW9, 200 of water resistant. We get 120 clicks unidirectional bezel. The action is really sweet, as you can hear by the sound and how easy I rotate the bezel. Super good in my opinion, and no alignment issues or something like this compared to that Marine Master. In that watch, the watch I got and the others I saw that did a review on him got a watch with alignment problem, and as you see in this piece you don't have. So I guess this is a quality control they only have on the Marine Master watch. So let's move on. We get 2 years of warranty in this watch. Now let's move to dimensions. The case size here is 40.5, but this is because the bezel, as you see, it's coming out from the case. So if I measure only the case, let's see how I'll do it. We will get something like 1 millimeter down, something like this. So basically this watch is 40 millimeter. The lug to lug is 47.5. The thickness is 14.3, and the strap size is 20. Okay, Now we'll have auto shot, and then we get back here. And here we out under the sun. Now we can see the finishing on the case, on the bracelet too. It's really shiny watch. As you see, we have a polishing on the sides of the case, on the bracelet too, the middle link, on the sides of the links too. Really, St. Martin did amazing job. Also the ceramic bezel plays really nice with the light. And now we can see again the watch on my 6.8-inch wrist. Sits very well. Really, St. Martin did amazing job. This is a beautiful watch, and I really like how it plays with the sun and all the reflections that we get. Super nice. We have a little bit distortions, but not that much. And if you ask me, I'm not a big fan of the Cyclops also. And then we're back. Now we'll have wrist shot. And boom. So as you see, the watch sits nice to my 6.8-inch wrist. Sits very comfortable. This is the perfect size for my wrist, the 40mm. See, the watch sits very close to the arm, not that high. Really beautiful watch. St. Martin did excellent watch. Also in that price point, I don't know who can compete with that. See below the bone and above the bone. Okay, let's remove the watch now. Now I want to show you the bracelet. In my opinion, this is one of the biggest things that you get in this watch is the bracelet. It's a really good bracelet in my opinion. Open the clasp, one moment. As you see, we get milled clasp that built really well. We have also a few micro adjustment position over here that you can use. And if I remember correctly, yes, you have some diver extension as you see over here. This is also very nice. Also operate really well. You can close it and open it very easily. Get solid links, solid end links, and we get also screw pins over here. The middle link is polished as you see, and we have polished on the sides. In my opinion, the links and the clasp are a little bit too sharp, but not in a way that you know it will cut you or something like this, but it's okay for the price you pay for this watch, the $200. It's really nothing, and you cannot expect it to be perfect. Okay, now we'll have lume shot. Let's close the light. And as you can see, the watch being charged from the studio light, and this is the results. The results are pretty nice. You can see the time, read easily, no problem at all. Let's give him a little boost to show the lume in its full glory. And boom, amazing. As you saw, I charged it only a few seconds, and this is the results. St. Martin did really good job on the lume. I never saw St. Martin watch that have a bad lume, So as you see, we can read the time, super easy. The BGW9 glows really strong here. That's really great. Okay, we can turn on the lights now. So guys, this was the St. Martin, the Submariner homage for the Rolex Submariner, the Hulk version. This is a great watch in my opinion. As I said, the price is around 200 bucks. Maybe if you can get a coupon, you can get it around 180, something like this. In my opinion, it's a great price. The finishing they did and brushing St. Martin did on the case or on the bracelet are really superior. What you get in 200 bucks, it's really a joke over here, like from the bezel action and how they designed the bracelet. It's really great. Also, as I said, from the case, from the bracelet, the clasp, everything here is really well made, and you can ask for more than that. Also the bezel action, it's really super nice. And basically we get a great watch for what we pay. In my opinion, this is one of the best homages that I saw for the Rolex Submariner in that price point. And basically we get really great deal here in this watch. I'm sorry that I didn't show the box that we get with the watch, but if you want to see, you can go to the Marine Master video that I did on the St. Martin, and basically you get the same box and the same warranty card and basically the same stuff. So nothing much to show there. So that's it guys. I hope you're enjoying this review. Please, if you can, like and subscribe to this channel. It will help a lot. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.